Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about rendering and why rendering is important and what is the value for rendering. So if we look at the rendering process and why it's important, about 50% of a slaughtered animal is considered inedible by American customers. So of course actually slaughterhouse produce a lot of waste, and also in addition to that there are actually animal mortalities either through diseases or maybe other reasons. All of this should be uh, wasted or can be disposed of into landfills, which can cause a lot of negative environmental impact, and also it can also limit the capacity of the landfills or need more capacity basically to dispose these materials. So therefore, actually, for these reasons, recycling is important, and rendering is a recycling process. Recycling all of this waste to produce valuable products such as animal feeds or pet foods or biofuels like biodiesel, for example, oleochemicals, or maybe fertilizers. Of course, if we recycle all of this waste, we will actually produce or will have an environmentally friendly way to dispose and reuse valuable product from these materials. So this is just a flow chart to show what I just said. So basically this is a valuable product from waste, and here this is a waste byproducts, or maybe dead animal can go through several processes to produce fats and proteins, and these fat proteins can be used for or as a material to produce valuable products. Again, the rendering can reduce the emissions. For example, actually in the US, they can actually reduce the greenhouse gases equivalent to about 12 million cars per year. And to American and Canada, it's about, you can find them in the reference, about 18.5 uh, million cars equivalent if this material is rendered into several processes, actually, as I mentioned. Um, in fact, actually, rendering, for example, actually, this calculation can be done if you consider actually one dead cow can produce 1.2 metric ton of carbon dioxide, which can be avoided, of course, if rendering is applied. With that, I would like to thank you, and if you have any question, let me know. Bye bye.